Bowling Green, Ohio, as we prepare for what should be a great game. We're ready to get this one underway as the teams are lined up for the opening kick. And he'll return this one from the 7. He's out to the 30. Down the sideline. And they bring him down. The 40.
Hey, that's a pretty good return there to open this game up.
So the offense will come out in opponent's territory for their first drive of the game.
They couldn't have asked for better field position than this.
He's at the 30. Tackle base at the 13-yard line.
That's always a big blow to a defense to give up a long run like that. You'll see a lot of those guys hanging their head.
Here's an opening. Tackle left side after a nice pickup.
That'll make it 2nd and 4.
The defender had it and then dropped it.
Here's a case of a quarterback so eager to make the play that he failed to see the danger of that attempt and nearly gave the ball away.
He can't pull it in.
This quarterback has got to do a better job of looking off defenders and allow his covered receivers some room to improvise and get free.
And it's the offense that takes the field on 4th down. Decent run up the gut. And a nice run by the tailback.
Not a lot of razzle-dazzle here, but it gets the job done and picks up the first down.
It's away from him. Touchdown. And he adds the extra point. A 6-play, 39-yard drive. And it's good for 7 points. So the score now, 7-0. And it looks like they're ready for the kickoff. Nice kick, plenty of distance. And it goes into the end zone, down for a touchback. The quarterback leads the team out on the field for the first drive. Pass incomplete, trying to get it to his receiver. Second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 25. Tackle after decent pickup.
That's a team of 4.
And he snags that one. And he's taken down right around the 36-yard line. There's a flag down in the backfield, but I didn't see what happened.
Roughing the passer, defense.
So the offense will move a little bit closer with that penalty. From the 49-yard line, first down. He's into the open field. He's at the 40. He's at the 30. To the 20. He goes down at the 1-yard line. So with that run, they pick up another first.
Just a nice job again up front by the offensive line. They're doing a good job of neutralizing the defensive front, and it's allowed them to move the ball down the field.
At the end zone, intercepted. Good job to pick that ball off.
He did a great job at getting in that passing lane and coming away with the ball.
From their own 20-yard line. First down. Bowling Green is up 7. Bring him down to the 35-yard line.
It's a great play fake here, and it freezes the linebacker for just a couple of seconds. And that's gets enough time to connect on the throw.
After a quarter of play, we've got a low-scoring defensive battle on our hands. Bowling Green's lead is a touchdown. With the quick throw. He almost had it, but it's incomplete.
How did he drop that? The defender did everything that he needs to do. He read the play perfectly. He stepped up, and what does he do? Drops the interception. Boy, the offense caught a great play.
And he hauls that one in. And he's leveled at the 39. Beautiful touch pass by the quarterback.
That's one of the toughest throws a quarterback has to make. He's trying to get rid of the ball while the big defensive linemen are flying at him, and he has to lob it downfield to make the play work. That is a very impressive throw.
Second down, 10 to go. Ball on the 39-yard line. Good 6 yards there by the halfback on the toss play. Five wide. And he's tackled at the 22-yard line.
You don't always need to throw the ball with a lot of zip, although it does help in some cases. When you have accuracy like this guy, you can make all the throws. This guy has that innate ability to get just enough distance from a defender to make a completion possible. You don't see it from every receiver.
With the extra point. So that's an 8-play, 80-yard drive, and it results in a touchdown.
Brett, I thought the key to that drive really had a lot to do with the quarterback and the receivers getting in sync, making it very tough for the defense to slow him down.
This one's going to be down in the end zone for a touchback.
No matter how much people want to talk about points and offense, I still think that the best offense is a great defense. When you put a 0 up there, it makes it pretty easy on your own offense to go out there and win the game.
Complete. And down he goes. Around the 26-yard line. Penalty marker down in the backfield. Might be a holding call.
Roughing the passer. Defense.
This was just an unnecessary hit. He should have been disciplined for a play like that.
From their own 41-yard line, it's first down. They'll line up with 5 wide receivers. He gets sacked on the play.
The defenders played the snap count perfectly. They found the path into the backfield and didn't let the quarterback get away.
Caught with room to work. He's at midfield. At the 30, and they finally knock him out at the 28.
Man, that was an impressive-looking play. When you can slice apart a defense like that, it puts a seed of doubt in their minds.
Now it's 1st and 10 with the defense trying to regroup after giving up the big pass. They come out in a 5-wide set. Nice grab on the play. Spectacular play, and now it's 1st and goal.
That's just a great call by the coordinator there, going to the air on first down.
Here's a run. Touchdown, Wyoming! He makes the PAT. A 4-play, 73-yard drive, and they come away with 7 points.
I think the thing, Brad, that I'm seeing is the quarterback's taking advantage of some one-on-one opportunities on the outside for some big plays for this offense.
From the 5-yard line, Takes it out maybe to the 26-yard line. In a game that's this close, you can't afford to waste possessions. Bowling Green is up by a touchdown. He chucks it downfield. Oh, boy, almost intercepted.
You never know what will happen when the ball ricochets like that. Good effort by the defender.
From their own 26-yard line. Second down. Fires it quickly.
That could have been a huge shift in momentum if they were able to hold on to that one. Wow, that was close.
That brings us 3rd and 10.
3 down. 34's the Mike. 34's the Mike. He's coming.
He airs it out. Tackle at the 24. A tight first half of football, and we head to the break. 14-7. Reese and David, welcome back, everybody. Just about set to start the second half. Taken at the 5. He's to the 20. And he's taken down at the 30. There's still plenty of time to keep running their offense as usual here. I don't think they need to feel any anxiety about trailing.
Did they give up a sack here, but their quarterback just got hit and hit hard. If I'm an offensive coordinator, or especially an offensive line coach, I'm getting a hold of my offensive line, making sure these guys are on the same page, and they've got to take more pride in taking care of their quarterback than that play right there.
And it's gone. He's tackled at the 27.
Got to do a much better job of being able to read that defense and make quicker decisions. And especially when the defense starts to get pressure, you've got to either get rid of that football or check it down or take off and run with it.
He makes it to the 45-yard line.
Not great, but not bad either. As long as your main priorities are not turning the ball over and establishing solid field position, then you're headed in the right direction.
Bowling Green up 7 points.
The quarterback threw it right into the hands of the safety. I can't believe he dropped it.
2nd and 10. Ball on the 45-yard line. So the draw to the halfback picks up 4.
That'll make it 3rd and 5.
All day, just like that. Just like that.
Hey, Mike 34. Mike 34.
They try the right side. Down from the 41-yard line.
Some guys are dangerous no matter where they are on the field. Whether they have speed, elusiveness, great vision, whatever the case may be, you have to find ways to get the ball in their hands.
Wyoming's going to use their first time out of the half here.
You keep gaining negative yards, and you put yourself in a position of having to make bigger and bigger plays. Puts a lot of pressure on that quarterback.
Throws out and through his hands.
Number 81 was the intended receiver on the play.
So we're looking at another 3rd down here.
Tight left. 4 down. Check number 6.
Going long. Oh, he had the pick and he dropped it.
You know, for a safety, this guy has really good hands. I'm very surprised to see him drop an interception like that. Could come back to haunt his team as well.
It's a fake. Lets it go. Can't find his man, and they'll turn it over.
If they'd punted, they would have pushed him back pretty far. Now, by failing on 4th down, they've given him pretty decent field position. Not a great gamble by going for it.
for his running back, incomplete. It's been a defensive masterpiece through 3. Who'll draw up points in the final quarter? The Falcons with a touchdown lead. Welcome back to the action here as we resume play here in quarter number 4. Just under 2 minutes in the game.
This quarterback is tough as nails. Brad, he's going to sit in that pocket and give himself a chance. The only problem is, at some point, you've got to have a feel, almost that sixth sense on when to get out of there and avoid the pressure, or just to throw the ball before you get hit.
He's in trouble. That's a huge stop here in the fourth quarter. They've got the lead. They're going to get the football back, but there's still a lot of ball left. 4th and long here after the sack. Fired quickly, and he's got his man. He's taken down right around the 40.
Number 12 makes the tackle at the 40-yard line. First down.
Catches it. Tackle made around the 36-yard line.
I like that they're completing these underneath routes, because pretty soon the defense is going to start to cheat up. And that's when the quarterback will have his chance to go over the top for the big play.
Just throws this one away. The defense got some pressure and forced a bad pass.
I think they've been a little bit more aggressive here with their pass rush, and that time it paid off with an incompletion.
3rd and 5 situation. Ball on the 36. Complete. He's got room. And they make the stop right around the 16-yard line. Wyoming will take a timeout. That's their second of the half. This is the 8th play of this drive. Deep pass to the end zone.
Number 6.
It's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 16.
That makes it 2nd and 10.
We have less than a minute to go. That's all. Quick throw. He's got his man again. That pass play gets him roughly 3 yards.
It's a nice completion. So give the defense a lot of credit. They weren't fooled at all. They were able to hold him to a short game.
Just an unbelievable stop when they had to have it on 4th down, and that should be the football game. Both teams realize that when the ball is snapped, we're one play away from a very different ball game. Gets to about the 11-yard line. A 2-yard run by the halfback.
With the defensive line neutralizing the blocks, these linebackers are able to come up and make plays in the holes.
Hands it off. He's to the 20. And he's taken down at the 28-yard line.
Nothing tentative on